there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly and I'm the owner of Grice, Wax and Wicks Candle Company. As an insurance agent who turned a hobby into a candle business, I often get a lot of questions about something called general liability insurance. So in this video, I'm going to explain what general liability insurance is and how it works for your candle business. So let's keep it simple. Business insurance can be confusing, and that's what we're going to talk about. So people often downplay the possibility of something bad happening until it actually does, like a house burning down or an allergic reaction from your product. Business insurance helps us maintain a peace of mind in the event of an unforeseen circumstance. So if you're selling a product like a candle that you have to burn, it's a risk and you need the insurance. You may also need to purchase insurance to cover your equipment, but for the bare bones, just general liability will work. Liberty Mutual only covers my business general liability, but if I decide to start selling room sprays, soaps, or perfumes, they do not cover that. So first, I want to advise you that I'm not a lawyer and this is not an advertisement. I'm just sharing my knowledge. I have over 25 years of personal insurance experience, but business insurance is a little different. You may be wondering, what happens if something goes wrong? As a candle maker, I have an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Some people think that's good enough. An LLC protects the owner if someone sues you. It's a company that they're suing, not you personally. So that's where business insurance comes in. Are you wondering what kind of business insurance need for your candle business? Let's break it down so it's easy to understand. First up is general liability insurance. This helps cover accidents, like if someone gets hurt by your candle. It protects you from having to pay a lot of money if someone says that your candle caused them injury. Next is product liability insurance. So this one is for when your product causes issues. So if someone has a rash or any bad reaction to your candle, this helps insurance cover the cost. Then we have BOP, B-O-P, a business owner's policy. This is like a bundle of insurance that combines general liability and property insurance. Here are some potential scenarios that could lead to a claim against a candle making business owner. 1, burn incidents. If a customer uses a candle and it causes a burn injury, perhaps due to a faulty wick or inadequate labeling about burn time, they may pursue a claim for damages. 2, fire hazards. If a candle ignites unexpectedly or causes a fire that results in property damage or personal injury, the affected party could hold a candle business responsible for producing a dangerous product. Number 3, scent reactions. If a customer has an allergic reaction to the fragrance or ingredients in a candle, such as skin irritation or respiratory issues, they may file a claim alleging that the product was unsafe or improperly labeled. Number 4, a container breakage. If a candle container like glass or ceramic shatters while lit, causing injury or damage, the customer might claim that the materials used were not suitable for candle making. Number 5, poor packaging. If the packaging is inadequate and leads to a candle spilling wax or breaking during shipping, the customer might seek compensation for damages incurred due to negligence in packaging. Number 6, inadequate instructions. If a candle does not have clear instructions regarding safe use, and this leads to misuse or accidents, the business could be held liable for not providing proper guidance for safe handling. Number 7, defective products. If a batch of candles is made incorrectly, for example, wrong wax ratios leading to poor burn, and the defects cause issues like excessive smoke or melting problems, customers could consider a claim for damages or injuries. Equipment failures. If a candle making process involves using equipment that breaks or malfunctions, and this causes injury to the maker or nearby individuals, it could result in a liability claim. Number 9, property damage. If a candle causes significant property damage, such as burning down a customer's home, the consequences could lead to serious lawsuits and large claims against the business. Insufficient insurance. Number 10. If your business does not carry adequate insurance to cover such incidents, it may lead to financial hardship as legal costs and damages accumulate. So each of these scenarios emphasize the importance of not only having the right insurance in place, but also implementing best practices for safety, quality control, and clear communications with customers to reduce the risk of incidents and claims. So your business insurance costs can depend on your industry. The higher the risk, the more the coverage needed. Number of employees, more people equals higher risk. The location, higher crime areas can mean higher premiums. The age and size of your building, older places can cost more to insure. How much coverage you want, the more coverage, the more it can cost. Your claims history, so fewer claims, you can save money. Liability means responsibility. So the last thing you want is for someone to say your product caused them injury. So a general liability policy, it usually starts at $1 million. That means that the policy will pay in a year, no matter how many claims you have. So let's say someone says, here's a $5,000 bill because I have a rash from your products. Well, you don't know what to do, right? So you go to your insurance and you let them handle it. Good news is there's no deductible, there's no out-of-pocket costs for general liability claims. I take this seriously because I am an insurance agent. Some of you might think, you'll never use the insurance, but don't cancel it. It's a gamble saying it's a gamble saying, I'll get it later, or I don't have the money right now. It could lead to problems. So people often downplay the possibility of something bad happening until it actually does. So like a house burning down or an allergic reaction from your product. So safeguard your business. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips.